Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to refresh your Firefox browser in Windows 11 without the need to actually uninstall it and then reinstall it entirely. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is go and right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select Apps on the left side. And then on the right, underneath Apps, go ahead and select Apps and Features. In the Search Apps field, go type in Firefox, and go ahead and select the three-dotted icon immediately next to it, and select Uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select Uninstall. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Now you have an option to refresh Firefox instead. If you're having problems with Firefox, a refresh can help. This will restore the default settings and remove add-ons. Start fresh for optimal performance. Go ahead and select the Refresh Firefox button. And select Finish. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.